Hi, hi everybody. What's up? It's me back again. Oh, I thought I'll make a video, connect with the guys, put it on YouTube. Oh, okay. So we have started recording. Um, all is good with me, guys. Same old, can't complain. It's late Tuesday night. It's late Tuesday night, first week of May 2026. Yeah, we are in first week of May 2026. It's late Tuesday night at my end. I was at my place, I thought I'll make a video, connect with the guys, put it on YouTube. Uh, thought I'll play some background music for fun, as usual. Yeah. So all is good with me, guys. Can't complain, same old. Oh, yesterday it rained in the evening. Like there were gusty winds in the evening, followed by showers at several places, followed by rainfall for, let's say, 45 minutes, half an hour, something like that. But then weather was very suitable, weather was very favorable for a change in this scorching heat where temperature reaches up to 45 degrees Celsius. So, well, it in the afternoon today, the weather changed again. There were gusty winds, thunderstorm. Uh, these winds can go up to 60-65 kilometers per hour. Oh, and oh, the weather is quite favorable. I'll say right now it's quite favorable. Oh, it's again very suitable. You know. Oh, oh, well, what was I saying? Oh, so weather-wise, yesterday it's been beautiful. It's been a great weather. Today it wasn't so bad. Like there were gusty winds, thunderstorm in the evening, and then uh, all of a sudden uh, we had like uh, really suitable, favorable weather. I'll say. I know we are awaiting scorching heat for upcoming few weeks. Uh, we'll get through with that as well. I'll say. So we have Indian Premier League going on. A lot of matches takes place on daily basis. Like there is single game. There are like 6 to 7 games. There are like what 7 to 9 games every week. Every day there is a game. So it's not so bad. Yeah. Uh, so same old with me, guys. In my last video, I talked about geopolitics, uh, read some of the headlines, and then we talked about types of seasons annually. Other than that, I read small writing from my journal, one big paragraph, and uh, first week of May we had uh, Buddha Purnima. So I talked about Gautam Buddha in a couple of my YouTube videos. In one of my videos, I talked about Gautam Buddha, and another video, I talked about Buddha Purnima. So, uh, second week of May, upcoming Saturday, we have birthday of Rabindranath Tagore, another legendary figure. I talked about Rabindranath Tagore in one of our previous videos, read encyclopedia about him. Yeah. Uh, so, I thought I'll catch up with you guys. In this video, we'll probably read some of the headlines from geopolitics. This is what the plan for right now is. So I'll, adjust my camera first. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, really good. Yeah. Okay, guys. So what I'll do is I'll read some of the headlines, latest updates. This is what it says. It says U.S. President's Project Freedom meets Iran's residual firepower. US initiates Hormuz escort. Iran fires missiles at UAE. First attack since truce. We have a picture. It says German minesweeper set sail. German Navy's minesweeper during its departure at Germany for a possible deployment in the Strait of Hormuz. The German government has said it is willing to participate in mine clearing efforts in the strait, but only once Iran and US have agreed on the cessation of hostilities. The United States, for its part, claimed two merchant ships had transited through the strait, but Iran rejected the assertion, claiming it was in full control of the strait. Yeah, we'll keep it going, guys. Just keeping the commercial real quick. Yeah, this update is from Washington. Further, it says ships pick Iran lane for now. Shippers not convinced. Choppy waters for Trump. Yeah, we good, guys. Yeah, these were all the updates, from Washington. It said the United States, for its parts, claimed two merchant ships had transited through the strait, but Iran rejected the assertion, claiming it was in full control of the strait. Ships pick Iran lane for now. Shippers not convinced. Choppy waters for Trump. And then we have a picture where it says German minesweeper sets sail. Another headline, it says 3 Indians injured in Fujairah attack. Iran's strait map shows UAE areas. Iran's strait map shows UAE areas. Schools go back to online mode. United Arab Emirates. US destroys Iran missiles, boats. US destroys Iran missiles, boats. Three Indians injured in Fujairah attack. Iran's strait map shows UAE areas. Schools go back to online mode in United Arab Emirates. United States destroys Iran missiles, boats. Hey guys, these were some of the updates from geopolitics. I mean, from West Asia conflict, I'll say. Yeah, that's it from here. I'll say that's it from here. Oh, that's it from West Asia conflict. These were the headlines. Further, I thought I'll read something from my encyclopedia. I'll read something about outer space. That's what the plan was. I'll read some of the headlines about West Asia war, West Asia conflict. Other than that, I'll also read about outer space. So this is what it says about solar system. This is artificial intelligence overview. This is why it says the solar system is a gravitationally bound system comprising the sun and objects orbiting it, including 8 planets, dwarf planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. Formed 4.5 billion years ago, it consists of inner rocky planets and outer gas ice giants located in the Milky Way's Orion Arm. Key components: Sun, outer planets, dwarf planets. The Sun, the central star, containing over 99% of the system's mass. The planets, in order from the Sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Inner planets: terrestrial, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, rocky and small. Outer planets: Jovian, Jupiter, Saturn, gas giant, Uranus, Neptune, ice giant. Dwarf planets including Pluto, Eris, Ceres, couple of more. Structure and location. The solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy, orbiting the galactic center at approximately 515,000 meters per hour. Structure: it has 3 distinct regions: the inner rocky planets, the main asteroid belt, and outer giant planets. Boundaries: the system is bounded heliosphere, by the heliosphere, a bubble where solar wind slows down against interstellar space. Key facts: age approximately 4.5 to 4.6 billion years old. Moons: there are hundreds of known moons orbiting various planets. Discovery: the solar system is just one of many, with over 500 other known systems in the galaxy. Yeah, this is what AI overview has to say about solar system. Now we'll read AI overview of Milky Way. This is why it says the Milky Way is a large barred spiral galaxy containing 100 to 400 billion stars, including our Sun, arranged in a disk roughly 100,000 to 200,000 light years across, situated in the Orion Spur, about 25,000 to 26,000 light years from the center. Our solar system orbits the galactic core every 240 to 250 million years. It is part of the local group of galaxies. The video provides a glimpse of Milky Way galaxy structure. We have a video over here, oh, in the AI overview of Milky Way. This is what it says about structure and composition. Shape: a barred spiral galaxy with 2 major arms, Scutum, Centaurus, and Perseus, and several minor arms or spurs. Components: contain stars, gas, dust, and a suspected central supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A. Dimensions: the stellar disk is about 100,000 to 120,000 light years in diameter, but the surrounding halo of stars and dark matter is much larger. Age: approximately 13.6 billion years old, nearly as old as the universe. Yeah, just a sec, guys. Just waiting for the commercial. Skip. This is what it further says. About age, it says approximately 13.6 billion years old, nearly as old as the universe. This is what it says about our location and view. It says position: the sun is located in the galactic disk about halfway from the center, which obscures our view of the center with dust. Night sky view. Okay, we're good. Night sky view. The Milky Way band visible from Earth is the edge-on view of our own galaxy's disk. Local group. The Milky Way is one of the largest members alongside Andromeda galaxy. Evolution. Star formation. The galaxy is still forming stars, but this activity is declining. Mergers. It has grown by consuming smaller galaxies over billions of years. Future. Star formation is expected to cease in about 4 billion years, and it is on collision course with the Andromeda galaxy. Hey guys, we good. So I just wanted to give, you know, few paragraph I read about uh, our solar system and Milky Way galaxy. So I just read few paragraphs from AI overview, artificial intelligence overview about uh, solar system and Milky Way galaxy. You know, I thought I'll talk about outer space as well in this video for quite a bit. Not a bad idea, I'll say. Uh, so, uh, uh, this was the plan for this video was. This was the plan for this video was that I'll talk about uh, headlines from West Asia conflict. Other than that, I also read about solar system and Milky Way galaxy from AI overview. So this was the plan for this video was. It's going to be a short video. I'll probably wrap it up anytime now. Yeah. So this is for right now, guys. I'll probably call it off. We'll connect soon anytime. We'll connect anytime soon. Why not? But that's it for right now. I'll probably call it off. Have a good one. Uh, you know, uh, be cautious about upcoming heat wave days, scorching heat. It's quite alarming, I'll say. Be careful, I'll say. Stay hydrated, stay indoors. So this is for right now. Bye bye. Have a good one. Love you all and take care.